Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make nacho cheese sauce. With my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to let that melt. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and I'm going to whisk that and let that cook for about a minute or so just to cook off some of the flour flavor. After you're done with that, you're going to turn your heat down to low and add 1 cup of whole milk. You're going to whisk that until it starts to thicken. You just want to make sure it doesn't have any lumps. This will happen really quick, so you don't want to walk away. Now that it's nice and thick, I'm going to add 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like, it's up to you, but I'm using cheddar cheese, and it's best if you get a block of cheese and then shred it yourself. It will just melt up better for you. You just want to keep whisking this until it's fully melted. And now you can turn your stove off. I just wanted to show you that I use the back side of the grater to grate the cheese. Now to take this to the next level, there's one last thing I like to do, and this is not totally necessary, this is just something I like to do, so you can try it and see how you like it. I like to add some of the juice from my pickled jalapenos to it, and I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of the juice. I love the flavor it gives the cheese sauce, so try it and see and let me know what you think. Look how nice this looks. Oh my goodness, it's so creamy and so cheesy. Everything I love about nachos. Now, if you don't like cheddar cheese, you can also use Velveeta cheese. I mean, that's not real cheese, but a lot of people like to use that. So yeah, it's up to you. Make it how you like it. Make it with whichever cheese you want to use. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like it, please give the video a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.